In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the passenger side fender liner on your Nissan Rogue, located right inside your wheel well here. Let's go ahead and remove our center cap here, reach behind that and pull outward. Set that aside. Using a 21mm socket, let's go ahead, loosen and remove these lug nuts. Go ahead and grab that wheel. Remove it and set it aside. On the bottom side right here, I want to go ahead and loosen and remove these 3 Phillips head screws. On the inside of the liner right here, I want to go ahead and remove this cover. Remove these plastic push pins here. Use your trim tool to pop out the base inserts here. Sometimes these will break, so you can plan on sourcing out some replacements. Remove that cover. Want to remove our mud flap here. There are 4 T20 Torx screws, 1, 2, 3, and then there's one on the bottom here. Loosen and remove these. Grab the 4th one right here. We're using an extension to gain access to that. And then remove the flap, set that aside. Remove these 2 Phillips head screws on the upper portion of the liner. On the inside of our fender liner here, there are going to be 6 of these retainer buttons that run up and around the perimeter inside here. Let's go ahead, loosen and remove those. Try and use a trim tool here to pop out the center button. And then remove the clip. With all the plastic push pins removed, go ahead and work that fender liner out. Go ahead and take the wheel well liner. Feed this up around your strut. On the top here, we have these 2 clips. Slides onto the fender liner. And do that for both of these here. And line this up. On the back side here, we're going to install a couple of the plastic locking push pins. Let's go ahead and get a couple installed on the back side here. Let's get our upper clips lined up here. Now that we have our two clips lined up, I'm going to install the Phillips head screws on the top here. And go ahead and snug those down. They don't have to be super tight, but you can feel them snug down and tighten. Go ahead and grab our screws here. These are the Torx head screws. Let's go ahead and get those installed. Just snug those into place. Once you have these three in, go ahead and install the fourth one on the bottom side in the back. Install the three lower screws into the lower portion of the bumper cover. Once we have all three of these caught, go ahead and snug them down. Now we're going to pop out these clips I had popped in temporarily to hold the fender liner in place. Grab our cover here, line this up. Now that our side cover is on, you can now go ahead and install your wheel. Take your wheel, line it up, get that set on, and let's go ahead and install all the lug nuts by hand. Get them started a few threads. Once we have all those started, let's go ahead and snug those down. Let's go ahead and torque down our lug nuts to 80 foot-pounds. Once you're all torqued down, install your center cap. You're going to pay attention to the notch here on the cap. That's where your valve stem is going to go. You're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.